everyone, welcome back to Trendsphere. Today, we're exploring the brand new iOS 18.2.1 update. Let's dive right into the exciting features and improvements Apple has rolled out. Enhanced performance and stability. First up, Apple has supercharged the overall performance and stability of iOS 18.2.1. Your device runs smoother than ever, with optimized system processes that make multitasking a breeze. Plus, battery life has seen significant improvements, ensuring you stay powered longer between charges. What's new in iOS 18.2.1? New features and enhancements. iOS 18.2.1 introduces several exciting features. Focus Mode now offers more customization, helping you stay productive by minimizing distractions. Live text has been enhanced with better OCR capabilities, supporting more languages for accurate text recognition. And the new interactive widgets allow for greater personalization and functionality right on your home screen. Privacy and security updates. Privacy and security are top priorities. This update brings advanced privacy controls, giving you more authority over your data and app permissions. Additionally, critical security patches have been applied to protect your device from the latest threats. App updates. Several built-in apps have received updates too. Messages now boasts improved search functionality and new Memoji customization options. The Photos app features enhanced editing tools and fresh filters, while Safari offers faster browsing speeds and improved tab management for a seamless internet experience. Bug fixes. iOS 18.2.1 also addresses several bugs. Connectivity issues with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth have been resolved. App crashes in popular apps like Spotify and Zoom are fixed, and notification reliability has been enhanced. Plus, Face ID now works more smoothly in low-light conditions. How to update to iOS 18.2.1. Ready to update? Here's how. Back up your device. Use iCloud or iTunes to ensure your data is safe. Check for the update. Go to Settings, greater than General, greater than Software Update. If iOS 18.2.1 is available, tap Download and Install. Install the update. Follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and have sufficient battery life or are plugged in. If you found this update summary helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Trendsphere for more tech updates, tips, and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Let's discuss. Have you updated to iOS 18.2.1 yet? What do you think about the new features and improvements? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.